ladies, I absolutely love this workout. It is a push, but remember to do what you can, all right? Heels are not required, but energy is, and I will see you in there. Welcome in, ladies. Let's warm up. Get those knees up. We're going to start by going around the head. Round. Yes. Get those knees up high. We just getting started. Give me two more. One. And two. Side step, knees out. Let's move into those hips.
Yes, how I do that fit my jeans over baby fat. Listen,
and two.
Type of juicy plan, but I should warn you.
Go as low as you go. One. There you go. And two. Really open those hips. Push it out. Out. And two. Arms up. Up. And two. Back round the head. Round. Stay with me. Two. Two more. One. And two. Side step, knees out. Get that booty down. And two. Give me those hips. Like, there you go. And two. Take it down. One. As low as you can go. And two. Push it out. Out. And two. Get those arms up. Up. You should notice my heart. Two. Let me get those shoulders back. Add that chest in there. Forward, forward. And two. Let me get those feet parallel. Going up on our toes 10 times. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open up, heels kitchen. First position. Up 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, ladies. Let's dive in. Let's go, ladies. Got them heels on. Let's dive in. Hey. Get them knees up. Starting with Greek step. Let's get it. Hey. Hey. And two. Give me sassy arms. Up. And two. Pull it in. Pull. Squeeze some abs, sister. Two. Hey. Hey. And two. Knock it out. Let's get it. One. 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 One from the top. Three. Hey. And two. Give me sassy arms. Up. There you go. Breathe. Pull it in. Hey, pull. And two. Clap them thighs. I know. Hey. Take your time. This is two. Going to knock it out. Let's get it. Hey, one. 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 March it out. Hey. Relax. Hey, two. We got quick step. Plant yourself. And one, two. Hey, 5, 6. Give me another one. 1, 2. 5, 6. Other side. Hey, 1, 2. 5, 6. And 1, 2. 5, 6. Hey, march it out. Hey, to the side.